And it's now time for the This Morning segment. We're discussing the FBA ban, which has been upheld by the Supreme Court by majority decision yesterday. For some time now, the case has been in court where the FBA sought to ban all celebrities from advertising alcoholic beverages. Now, some celebrities took this matter up before the courts, claiming that they had been discriminated against, contrary to the Constitution, which allows all of us equal economic rights. And so the FDA asking celebrities not to advertise alcoholic beverages takes away their economic rights from them, their power or freedom to earn money. If all people can advertise alcohol, then celebrities should be able to advertise alcohol too, because we are all equal before the law. And that was their argument. However, Chief Justice Tokonu, speaking yesterday, said that this ban is not discriminatory and the FDA ban has been upheld. So henceforth, no celebrity is allowed to, in any means or form, advertise alcoholic beverages. What do you make of this? Let us know. You can call us now. The phone number will be on the screen in a moment. Call us and let us know what you make of the ban. And if you agree at all, you know, during the conversations, Roland, when this case started, one of the reasons the FDA preferred was that celebrities have a huge influence on the younger generation. And so when a celebrity advertises an alcoholic beverage, it will encourage young drinking or drinking in young children. And a counter argument from the celebrities was that you have giant billboards all over the streets of Accra advertising alcohol, and children see these billboards on their way to school every morning. But it's my advertising that will make them drink. That's one of the questions that they asked. So Mr. T has just joined us on the line. Hello, Mr. T. Hello, Mr. T. Mr. T, can you please turn down the volume on your TV set?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir. You're welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Peter T. I'm calling from Sukura.
Welcome to the show. What do you make of this Supreme Court decision?
Yeah, I think that for me, it is a course in the right direction. Because looking at the volumity of our youth involving themselves into these alcoholic, beverages and all that, it has become something that is damaging our society. Are you getting me? So if today the court has taken the decision that these advertisements on the telly by these our celebrities, I think that we should rather be appraising these things, some of these things. Because if you look at our society today, about 15, 20 years ago, the up-and-coming youth, go to the beaches, you see what's happening. Go to so many areas where the parties, any event, you will see that, and all these are the costs that we are facing today. That, you go there, how these youth love some of these celebrities. They love them so much that any drop of advert, especially, I don't want to mention names here, some of them,
okay,
which are, those people are always see advertising for some of these beverages. So for me, I think that is the course of the right direction. It's a right direction that the court has taken. So let us all give support to this thing. I think it is good.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right, Mr. T, thank you for calling us. You can also call us and let us know what you think. Do you think this is a step in the right direction? Well, it's a Supreme Court ruling, so we must abide by it. But do you think that this ruling on this ban, upholding the ban, is the way to go?
Right.
And you're a parent, Roland. Let's talk about the realities, really, of this celebrity alcoholic advertising and the influence on young children. Vis-a-vis all advertising of alcohol. So the celebrities cited billboards near schools. They're all over the streets. When you're taking your children to school, my children will read everything, on every billboard, the entire ride to school. So they are exposed to these ads anyway. Is depriving celebrities of their economic rights, so to speak, for advertising alcohol, the sure way to prevent children from drinking?
I don't think that it does really prevent children from drinking. If you take a look at what guides programming across the world and even in
Sorry,
Ghana.
let's talk to a caller from Gomwa and then we'll continue our conversation. Hello?
Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Very good morning to you. You're welcome to the show.
Hope
What's
you
your
are
name?
Good.
We are well.
Hope you are good. Okay.
We're well.
Great. Thank you. What's your name?
All right. Kwesi Esuman.
Kwesi, what do you make of this ban?
It is in good direction, but my only problem is, as the argument they put up, the billboard over. Now, there is already a written law that before 5 a.m. and after 8 p.m., before alcohol can advertise. Now, there are programs during the day that these alcoholic beverages are sponsoring. So now what do you do? And these people are in this country and they know what is going on. I remember somewhere 2003, 2004, Ghana Premier League was sponsored by Catapult. And these leagues are played during the day, not in the night. So you see, when you are making law, you should not leave a loophole so that somebody can take an advantage of it. But if you think because these people are well known and you are asking them to stay away, then make sure it's covered all aspects. Because now, it's even, they are advertising it on internet, on television, everywhere. So if they are right to ban it, please, they should do it in a way that our kids will not have access to these things. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the call. We appreciate you. You can also call us and let us know what you think, especially if you're a parent. We'd like to hear from you. Is this a sure way to keep our children from drinking alcohol or following alcoholic content online? Roland?
Well, certainly. And you know, we have some guidelines, parental guides for television programming. And it's been on for decades now.
Yeah.
And this is also implemented in Ghana.
Yeah.
And so if we have to do the disaggregation of the audience structure that we have in our country, we have, we have somebody else as well. All right. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead. What's your view on the subject? Kwesi, where are you calling us from?
I'm calling from Pandai.
Oh, Pandai. Great. What do you make of
Yes.
this?
Yeah, the whole thing is that it's not about the celebrities advertising.
Okay.
It's about how common the alcoholic beverages are now everywhere. Now you can move within our localities, every corner you will find it. So the Food and Drug Authority should rather find a way of cutting some of these beverages around instead of banning some people. If, let's say, Louis or Alcohol will not advertise and they just go out and realize that the things on the table I want to take, it doesn't still prevent the child from taking. I'm sure they've not been fair to the celebrators.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. And that's Kwesi from Pandai giving us this call. So once you have parental guides that is regulating programming, it also means that even the stations themselves know that I don't have to advertise at this point in time. But that's mainstream.
Yeah.
Because now children are watching online content.
More than television
And
content.
who influences them more? You get me?
Yeah.
So for me, I don't think that's the way to go. Rather, we live in a country where now even the debate is about the livelihood of somebody who has a PhD in Ghana vis-a-vis somebody who has a Dutch passport and is even at the lower spectrum of the
Yeah.
working order.
Well, Aziz Dollar is calling us from Wa. Hello, Aziz Dollar.
Yeah, good morning, Nah.
Good morning. You're welcome to the show. Great to have you.
Good morning,
What are your
Aziz.
thoughts on this?
Hey, thank you very much. Charlie, good morning too.
Charlie, good morning.
I have this thing. Before I will say anything, I have to greet John Dramani Mahama, wherever he is, before I'll talk about the
Okay.
Aziz, brief.
issue.
Okay.
Yes. But then, FDA, they have won this particular case. But my issue is that, like someone said, come to the locality. Especially, look, we have one young guy called Records. He's a musician in Wa. He has a lot of followers in the villages. But before I will go, Roland.
To Project TV3.
Yes. But you've been giving us jackpots on cash out. You've been giving us 10K.
Oh, now, my
You've been
only
giving us
option there
10K.
is
You can
MG
give us
jackpot,
phones.
option 8. Option 8. Star 439 has, star 43,
Yes.
option 8.